Come on, let Mama put you down.
Hey guys, my head was hurting, so I took out my hair. Happy Vlogmas Day. I don't even know what day it is now, but happy Vlogmas Day. The pipeline in our complex that we live just burst, so we have no water. So I'm trying to figure out if Shayna wants to go to the store real quick with me, but I need to get Denver some clothes. And look at my bow! Look at you! Look at you! Look at my Den Den! We gotta change his clothes and change his diaper. Oh, you hiding? Oh, you don't want to say hi? Huh? I have a key. Hi, Stinky. Hi, Cal. How you feeling, kid?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Look at my boy.
I was singing a song for Baby.
I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast this morning. I had a, ooh, where's my light? Where's my light? Where's my light? There we go. I feel like I had like a roughish start, like a hurried start this morning, so I didn't get breakfast, nor did I have anything to drink. I had a mint, that's all. So maybe Shane and I can go grab lunch or something? Oh no, we can't, because we have to get Tay soon, huh? Alright, YouTubers.
Want me to sing a song for you?
What song is that? Ooh, show them how many teeth you don't have. Ooh, check you out. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off so we can figure out what we're going to do. I took my hair out, it looked crazy.
Oh, so do I.
But
I've been crying all morning.
what song?
So I look crazy.
Oh yeah, you want to tell them?
Oh, wait, I need to sing.
Go ahead, you're on.
All the moms out there, all the parents, actually I should say, will be able to relate to my story.
Wait, hold on,
My
Bubba.
firstborn went away to science sleepaway camp today, and I was devastated. I know it probably sounds funny, but she's my best friend. And you don't realize how much your kids are, like...
Are you starting to get choked up?
No, not right now, because I've cried. I've literally cried until my eyes were popping out my head. And I had
Yeah,
to
I
stop.
know.
I had to get myself together.
called you.
Because, like, she's my best friend. And then the look on her face when she got on the bus, she was so excited.
Should I
and then
insert
she
a
got
picture?
on. Yeah, you should. And she was like she looked like...
Because
what
it
did I
just
do?
got
What
real.
did I get myself into?
Yeah.
She sat by herself. She was just like, hi. And I think she just realized, like, I'm also her best friend. You know, so it's kind of weird that she's leaving and she didn't realize what it was going to entail.
What
But I
that
think
truly meant,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think she'll be okay. I think she'll be distracted enough by fun, but... all the parents out there, it's dreadful. The first time they have to leave, but I think probably will get easier after this. But
Yeah.
my first experience.
But alright, I should turn the camera off so we can figure out what we're doing.
No.
What?
I want to sing a song for the YouTubers and you guys have to dance.
Why is he so cute? Okay, go, sing it.
You love me, I love you, you love me, I'm me, I'm in you. You eat flowers, I like that, but I still love you.
Whoa, free.
Woo!
Got him.
Alright.
Got him.
Ooh. Alright, end clip.
Got him.